My child, if I could quiet your heart for just a moment, I would tell you this truth. God is saying, your wait will make sense. You've been frustrated. You've been confused. You've wondered why everything is taking longer than you expected. Why doors opened for others but stayed closed for you. Why you prayed but nothing seemed to move. But God has been working behind the scenes. He's not delaying to punish you. He's delaying to protect you. He's preparing the right people, the right timing, and the right path. He's shaping you so you can carry what you've been asking for. The Bible says, "Be still before the Lord and wait patiently for Him." Psalm 37:7. What feels like a standstill is actually divine alignment. What feels like silence is strategic preparation. What feels like a pause is God positioning you for something better. And soon, God says, you will understand why I made you wait. You will see the purpose behind the delay. And when it happens, it will be worth every second.